The Sonoran Desert is beautiful, and you want your yard and landscape to be beautiful as well. That's why you should choose Water in the Walls tank systems. Our real walls that hold water can be designed into the landscape as either structural walls or perimeter landscape walls. You can build ramadas, gazebos, several different structures can be designed using our tanks, and these tanks finish out as actual walls. They can be finished out stuccoed, they can look like brick, they can look like adobe, all types of different looks. There's many benefits to having these water walls around your property. Ours is the only design ever to have real walls, real bulletproof security walls that hold water. The thermal mass of water is 3 times that of stone or concrete, giving you the ability to harness nature's temperature regulating properties of water in your environments. This will greatly enhance outdoor areas. You can make a ramada out of 2 walls, and they will moderate out the temperature of that area to the average temperature of the day. If you picture laying on a concrete bench in early afternoon, that bench is still cool from the evening. By mid-afternoon, it gets warmed up. That's because concrete has a time delay of about 6 hours on changing temperature. Water has 3 times that delay, meaning that our tanks, because they're about a little less than half concrete and have a lot of water capacity, can regulate that temperature for about 12 hours, giving you actually the average temperature of the day. As well as their water harvesting capabilities, they're able to place water and design it into the landscape for its optimal uses. That's the big thing about what our tanks can do for you. Now what you can do for us. We need help designing our prototypes. We've designed several different models now, but we need to build several prototype models in order to prove which model is going to be the longest lasting and most cost effective. That's where you come in. Right now we're giving everyone the opportunity to come on to greenunite.com and donate an amount towards the development of these prototypes. At the higher donation levels, you will receive either a discount on tanks or a tank system at cost. This can be a great savings depending on the number of modules you use in your system. Contact us through greenunite.com or Randy at waterinthewalls.com to learn more. Thank you.